What's a Deco Pic and how to add it to your phone?
Hello everyone! Today, we're diving deep into the world of Deco Pics. You might be wondering, what exactly is a Deco Pic and how can it jazz up your phone? Stick around and I'll walk you through it step by step.
What is a Deco Pic?
A Deco Pic is short for decoration picture. It's a fun and often colorful image or icon that people use to decorate their digital spaces, be it on their phone's home screen, in messaging apps, or even in digital planners and notes. They're similar to stickers, but for your electronic devices.
Why use Deco Pics?
You might be thinking, why would I want to use Deco Pics? Here's why. 1. Personalization. Deco Pics allow you to give your phone a personal touch, showcasing your style and personality. 2. Fun conversations. Use them in chats to make conversations more engaging and expressive. 3. Organize. They can be used as icons to label and categorize apps or folders.
How can I add Deco Pics to my phone?
Adding Deco Pics to your phone is a breeze. Here's how. 1. Find a source. There are many apps and websites offering Deco Pics for free or for a small fee. Search for Deco Pics or phone stickers in your app store. 2. Download. Once you've found a set you like, download them to your phone. 3. Apply. 4. For home screen. Long press on a blank space on your home screen, then choose Add Widget or Add Image, depending on your phone. Navigate to where you saved the Deco Pic and place it on your screen. 5. For chats. Most messaging apps have a sticker or image option in the chat interface. Just select your Deco Pic from your gallery and send. And that's it. With Deco Pics, your phone's aesthetics can jump to the next level. Whether you're aiming for a chic, quirky, or even a minimal look, there's a Deco Pic out there for you. I hope this guide has been helpful. Go out there and start decorating.